Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. Very low mileage bike in beautiful, beautiful condition. White sidewall tires, spoked rims, excellent tires on the front and rear. Paint looks really beautiful on this bike. All the aluminum, chrome is in really nice shape. That's a little spot of wax in this there. Front of the tank looks good. I really like the badging on these Deluxe bikes. Got nice uprated hand grips and chrome levers. Just beautiful. Driving lights. Nice chrome floorboards with rubber inserts, heel toe shifter, tank bib. Bike's got 588 miles on it. Factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. Got the Tombstone tail light, sculpted light bar there for the turn signals. Grab bar, passenger pad, and backrest. Detachable backrest with a luggage rack. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. It's just a like new bike without the new price. We put it through our shop and checked it out, and it has a clean bill of health. Got a lot of good financing and extended warranty options on it. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Check out our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.